Want to know how I turned $1,000 into $100,000 in less than 6 months? If you could just give me 60 seconds of your time, I'm going to explain to you exactly how I did that starting my Amazon FBA business. Amazon has allowed me to travel the world to over 23 countries at just 30 years old. I've gotten the cars, the houses, but most importantly, it's allowed me to spend more time with friends and family. But what I love best is the freedom. Let me just tell you what Amazon FBA is. Fulfilled by Amazon. That means Amazon is going to take your merchandise, put it in an Amazon warehouse. They're gonna have employees take care of all of the payroll. They're gonna pack, they're gonna ship your items, they're gonna get them to UPS, and you don't have to worry about any of it. No overhead whatsoever. Wouldn't you like to work behind a computer anywhere in the world, never work a 9-to-5 job or weekends for the rest of your life? Let me show you how. Click the link on this video to become a genius and learn more information.